Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right on the HRC with High Road Comics. And today I have a 2-package mail day. It was actually from mycomicshop.com and Unknown Comics. So I filmed the video, didn't realize the lighting was bad, so I'm just gonna go ahead and re-show it. First from Lone Star Comics or My Comic Shop, I got Silver Surfer Black #1. Every single LCS in the area that I went to, the back was jacked up, and the spine had like printing errors or white damage on the back. So I'm hoping this is a 9.8 contender, maybe a 9.6. The other copy that I have, my reader copy, was probably, not gonna be that. I also got Batman and the Outsiders #2. And right here, Spider-Man Life Story #4. So they had this graded at a 9.2 on the back, but when you take a look at it, I already took it out. It doesn't look anything like that, except maybe this staple right here. But other than that, I think it looks pretty radical. Get it? So yeah, pretty dope cover, very 90s-esque. I now have Life Story 2, 3, and 4, the 1 in 25s, all great. I didn't grab the Life Story 1 yet, but that one has been up and down, like on sales and whatnot. And then from Unknown Comics, comes in the top loader. I got the Gabriel Del Otto variant of Immortal Hulk #2, the 5th printing. It's pretty dope having Spider-Man standing over Hulk's shoulder like that. That'd be cool if we could get this in a movie, but yeah, this is art right here. It'd be cool to one day meet Del Otto and get that signed. And then my favorite one that I'm looking most forward to meeting Miko one day again. I got to meet him this past time at WonderCon. If I could get him to color the black and white flag in the background, maybe, or do some kind of sketch or remark, I think that'd be cool. I missed the boat on the first one. Unfortunately, the eBay seller had canceled it. I had it bought for what, 60, 70 bucks, and then they doubled it. But whatever. This one's pretty awesome. It was either this or the all black and white one, but I like the way that the color popped on this one. So yeah, that's all I got. I think I'm going to go ahead and put the original unboxing video after. I'm just gonna upload it like this. It's a shorter video. Hope you're all enjoying your Thursday. That's all I got. This is High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.